Hello friends and students, today in this tutorial number 5 of Python tutorials we are learning about Python naming rules and conventions. When we give names to the variable in the Python, we should take care of these points. Number 1. When we give name to a variable, it must contain the letters, digits and underscore. And second point is that it must start with a letter or an underscore, and it should not be start with a number. Third, Python is case sensitive. A variable like this, my variable, where just the first letter is capital, while the second variable where all the letters are capital, these are two different variables. So Python is case sensitive, make sure. Third, there are some reserved keywords that Python uses. These keywords here, I am making it bold. Always avoid to use these keywords is the names of variables. Okay, now these were the rules. Let's try to create one variable. Let's say I say second user. There is a variable second user. Now this name is quite good, very good. This name is very good because it contains letters, it contains underscore, and if I say at the end of one, no problem, you can use letter, but you can use the number, but then you should not start with the number, like when we say second user. Now this is a bad practice. This is not a good name. We should avoid this. A variable name should not be start with the letter. Third, we should not give a variable name we should not use one of the keywords that are reserved by the Python, like we cannot say def. Now if we give a variable a name def, it is not a good practice, because if I say def, for definition, let's say how are you, and if I print this, it will give me error. See, it's error. So we cannot use out of these. We will learn these keywords one by one. These are very important things. So the best practice for giving name is that we should always use for the normal variable the descriptive name like second user, and this snag case means all in small, and the words are separated by underscore. This is a good practice. For class names, when further on we will be learning the classes. The class name should start with the, let's say car is a class. When we will be learning object oriented programming in Python, we will be learning about class. So the class name we should start with car, and there are also constant in Pythons. So in Python the constant should always be in all capital, like pi. If there is this variable pi, no, if we can give we should use the full capital for the constant variables. So these were few rules about naming. These were a few naming rules of Python. You should all know about this. In next tutorial we will be learning about further we will be learning about variables. Thank you so much.